If you love ginger, then you definitely love this gingerbread cake. So keep watching. This cake is filled with just the right amount of spices. Add 110 ml of water, 110 grams of treacle, and 110 grams of golden syrup. You could use just treacle or golden syrup, but just make sure it's up to 220 grams. Heat it up on low heat until it is melted. Then add 110 grams of butter. Keep stirring until it is completely melted. So if you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Then remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Add 250 grams of flour, that's 2 cups of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 110 grams of brown sugar. Add 2 eggs to the mixture. And 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well, then pour it into the flour mixture. Mix it until there are no lumps. So pour the batter into a lined loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.